Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh. Happy anniversary to our channel's first year completion. Congratulations each one of you, and I'm cutting a cake and this is for you. Hello everyone. Today is 27th March and I'm here to celebrate this day with all my loving subscribers, each of my students, all my friends, everyone. Before I do anything, I want to thank both my children, Devesh and Gunjan, who have guided me all throughout. They have really helped me improve the way I speak, my ideas of Sunday stories and words of wisdom, along with the syllabus that I'm doing. They always encouraged me to do something else too, and I have a new thing coming up very quickly. I hope you all enjoy. It's a secret, I'm not going to let it out. It's just like, on Sunday we have Sunday stories. On Wednesdays we have the wow session. We'll have another day with something else where we will learn more, and this was all guided by my daughter. Thank you, Gunjan, for always giving me new ideas and for motivating me not to do anything artificial. She was the one who always said that all your matter should be organic. Do not make anything artificial. Be your natural self, an original self, and that I am in front of you. Each one of you know me, how I am. Thank you, both of you, Gunjan and Devesh. And we'll meet very soon with something new that is coming up. Thank you. Hello everyone. Congratulations to each one of you on our channel's first anniversary. It's a very joyous moment for me. And yes, I know everybody's. Since last night 12 a.m. I have been receiving so many wonderful messages. It's really overwhelming for me. In fact, reading so many messages, I became so very emotional. Such a lot of support, encouragement and love I have got from each one of you. Each of you who is now a part of my family. English with Mona's family. On the 27th of March 2020, I just didn't know what I was doing. The whole world was in such a flux. We did not know what this COVID-19 was, how many days or months it would last for, what all it would do and change our lives. It made us glued to various gadgets to meet our needs. The day I started, it was on 26th of March when we came to know that the school was not reopening for another week. At that time, we had not known it would go on for the whole year, and yes, it is still continuing. Last year on the 26th of March, I wrote this informal letter. That was my first video, and I made a video so that I could send on WhatsApp groups and start my classes. I did not want any child to feel that school had not started first day of a new class is always an exciting moment for each student, with new copies and new books. But this time children did not have new books and new copies, but they had their new teachers, and I wanted to start something which was nice, exciting, so that everybody who was at home could start writing letters at least. I made this video. It was a very short video. You must have seen my first video, a video on informal letter, where I can only be heard, I'm not visible. And I made that video. In fact, there were around 7-8 times that I recorded holding my phone, because every time I changed the page, my phone would move, and I was not satisfied with what I was doing. But when my video was ready, I felt sending it to the other group was taking such a lot of time. And then I realized, how would I do with, what would I do, when I would make videos with, the chapters are long enough, I have to explain also. It was such a confusion for everyone. It was then my son, you all know I'm not technical savvy. Computer, yes, I have worked on computer. I was a computer teacher for 10 years of my life. But technically, I'm not very strong. Yes, now I have learned many things from my children, my kids at home, and from you all. You all have been guiding me so much that I am making this video on my own without anybody's help. At least I am able to do so. So, he told me that we could, make a YouTube channel, and for sending videos, it was easier. I just wanted my video to reach my students. I just did not know what YouTube, how I had to upload my videos, anything, I did not know anything about its policies or anything. It was after this first video, which you all helped me to, increase its views. It actually was in a week or so, I had 1K views at that time. And in my first video where I was not visible, so it really excited me. And my school teachers, my school principal ma'am praised me a lot. That gave me an encouragement. And everybody in my house, my daughter, my son, they were very excited, because they wanted me to accomplish what I wanted. Actually, I did not know anything about this YouTube. I had been watching many movies, short movies, and small videos and all, but about its policies, how to make videos, nothing of this sort I knew. This was my first video where one of my mentors, Vanita Jhingan ma'am, she really praised the way I had made that video, but what her viewpoint was that why was I behind the pages? It was more engaging for the student to learn when the teacher is in front of you. So she guided me that whatever I do next should have me also presenting the chapter or whatever. And yes, Geeta Saini ma'am too said that the teacher should be in front. This all actually gave me a lot of encouragement. And of course, my friends are always my pillars, my supporters, and you all have made my channel a success. My second video was on notice writing, where I am visible there. I had to arrange a board. I still have that small board. I have not bought a big board. And but at that time, you won't believe, it was so difficult. I just did not know what to do. Everybody in my house was busy, and everybody had online classes. They were all, fighting with different types of apps, which was better. And They were all on, some was working on Hangouts, they were working on Zoom. We all were also teaching on Zoom. But what I felt was that if I had started a channel, I should continue it. We should not leave anything in between. See it through, even if you are not sure of the things. So that is what, my parents have taught me. And the encouragement that is given always, every day, by my husband. He always feels whatever you start, finish it, complete it, be with it. Just don't keep hopping from one side to another. If you have started something, you should do it. Keep continuing it. Accomplish more and more. Yes, it is a long time process. There are videos where I have got only 100 views. There are videos, the last few ones, which have got even less than 100. But that doesn't mean I get demoralized. That doesn't mean I feel that if my subscribers or my members are not watching, the channel won't survive. I have to keep working on it. I have to work very hard on it, and I did work very hard on it. It was not easy. There were times when I had to, sometimes while writing, it was done wrongly on the board, very untidily. I had to rub it off, make the video again. And there were times when there was a split of tongue and I spoke wrong. But every time there were so many people supporting me. They kept encouraging me, inspiring me, motivating me. Your love for me has actually helped me a lot. Each one of you, be it my school students, the students of Delhi who have joined from here and there are so many schools, children who are my subscribers, and they have been writing to me, they have been mailing me, and I have been making videos for them too. They are not of our school too. And there are children, you all know, there are children from Tamil Nadu. We have Deepti, Kirti, so many children. We have children from Pakistan, we have children from Romania, from Germany, from Philippines who are watching my videos. My videos are being watched in US. I don't know who is watching them, but yes, the analytics of my channel shows that all these countries are watching my videos. And last few days back, I received a message from the head coordinator of a DAV school who was praising my work. And in fact, she has given me many offers, and she has also, this type of encouragement, this really motivates you. You all, every day, the children who are there, all throughout, in every video, every live session of mine, Anubhav, Ananya, Tanishka, Madhur, Keshav, Sahana, I should not miss anyone. There's Saksham, there are times when I forget the names and then later on I regret. Lokesh is there, all my children who are watching me, everyone, just do not get upset if I'm not taking your name. Shreya is there, then Deepti, Kirti, they are from Tamil Nadu, they are almost in every live session on mine. Parvez is there from Pakistan, and because he keeps writing to me for the chapters and videos and question answers that he wants. And Chinmay, Akash Chauhan, and all my 12s, all my loving children who I have taught, to them from the middle classes till the higher classes, all my ex-students, Nikita, Niyati, Muskan, Vishesh. Then there are so many teachers who join me. Thank you, all of you, all my Hum, Khuspus, Gorgeous, Walkie Talkie groups, my Loreto group, Upasna. You have given me so many chances to make different types of videos. You really are a gem of a friend. Thank you so very much. Deepthi for appreciating all my Sunday stories. We just met. I hope you're doing fine. Upasana standing for me for all, all my times whenever things were down or up. You have always been with me and supported me, motivated me, helped me so much. Everybody knows I'm not so technical savvy. And all my other children, if I have missed anybody's name, I'm very sorry. Garvi, Simran, Ashi making such a wonderful card for me. And Madhur, the video is awesome that you have made for me. Mohit, thank you. And Rachit, my ex-student, for making the template for me. And wonderful template, so successful. I feel so nice when I play it. And all my other students, everybody, everyone, each and everyone, please don't feel bad if I have not taken your name. But yes, these children I have named, they were always there in all videos of mine. In fact, Anubhav was waiting till 12 o'clock. He was the first one to wish me. Everyone, my son who has seen me, troubling him for making videos for me in spite of his having his own classes. There were times, I had to, I did not have this tripod stand on which my phone is standing right now. In the beginning, I did not have any facilities. I had a chair with 4 blankets kept on them, and then I used to fix my phone just at the level of my board and make my videos. I have been doing all that. I had to study a lot because you at times when you're doing the syllabus of class 12, you forget the syllabus of class 11. You have to go through everything again so that you don't forget when I was recording the videos. But yes, I have taken all the live sessions. So many children have attended and appreciated me and always been with me. They have in fact guided me how to make more so that I get more views. And everyone, thank you so very much. During Diwali, in fact, I was not well, but my channel got monetized all because of you. And in the beginning, I didn't know anything about this monetization or anything. And children have been asking me how much I'm earning and all that. It's not so very easy. Yes, when you complete your 1000 subscribers and your 4000 view hours, it is after that you are eligible. Your channel gets monetized, advertisements start coming, but you don't start getting money at that time. It takes a long time. Yes, I can see, that my amount is increasing. It's not a very big amount or so, but whatever, it's okay. Maybe in the long run, it will really help me. And right now, the YouTube has changed policies. I had to fill all my tax papers and all. In fact, I have not started getting any money from my channel. I have not got anything, but I had to fill those tax papers so that my channel keeps going on, and I have done so. I have filled all the formalities. I'm waiting for a PIN that has to arrive. It is after that my verification gets over, and maybe then I'll share with you when I get my first check. Getting the check is not my motive. It never was. I have earned a lot of love. I have earned a lot of respect. I had never known there are so many people who love me so much. I had never known that my channel would grow so very quickly. There are so many channels who the videos go viral overnight. Mine is an educational channel, a small channel which is taking time, but right now I have 2,135 subscribers, and it's all because of you. And thank you so very much. And before I end my video, so that you people don't get upset, I have to think a little and start taking names of those children I have not taken. Shreya, I hope I have not missed, because you get angry otherwise. Then Miksha, such lovely comments. Ananya, your drawings and paintings, my community is filled with yours. Ashi, you are wonderful. Keep supporting me. Sahana, Garvi, Anubhav, thank you always for being with me. Tana and Tanishka, everybody knows. Then I have all my students who are watching my videos. Ridhima, thank you for always being so very patient. And all my children, Manas, then both Manas Raturi, all my children, Sahana's mother, Doha's mother, Doha, thank you so much for being always with me. Charitra, Gunisha, and I have a new student now. I have Akshay with me nowadays. Thank you, Akshay. And all my friends, everyone, right now I'm making the video, I'm missing so many names, it's all getting blanked out. But yes, thank you always for being with me. And if I have missed anyone, I'm so very sorry. And keep supporting my channel, keep loving me so much, always be with me. And I'm working very hard with my channel. I have to type all the answers and all wherever I'm making. Right now I'm working on the sample papers of class 10th and 12th so that I'm able to help all my subscribers, all my children who are with me in this channel. They know how to attempt papers. So it's taking a little time because I'm typing everything, and you all know I'm not a very good technical person. So it's taking a little time. Bear with me, and everything will be at your in your channel in just a few days. If I've missed anything, I'm so very sorry. And keep supporting me, keep share my link, the channel's link, make do little efforts so that my videos run a lot and get lots of views. Because I also work a lot. I have been working. Yes, it was during pandemic, when we were all at home. We had no one. We had to do all the works. There was no helper coming. And I was making videos one after the other. There were days where I had made three videos, in just one day, along with all the household work. And so thank you for always acknowledging my hard work. And please keep supporting me. And congratulations to each one of you. Don't get upset if I've not taken your name, but you are always there with me in my heart. Keep supporting me. Some names again, they keep coming. It's Bhumika. Bhumika, thank you so much. It's Raghu. Then all the other children, there are children who don't type and write. Sumit, you just joined few days back. And everybody else, thank you so much for loving me so very much. Harsh, Vishal, and Abhijit, Akash, Divya, Danish, Deepu, everyone, thank you so very much. Bye bye.